not short of theories, that's for sure. Hello, Jeff.
All right, Pete.
Yes, sir.
How's it going? Yeah, I want to talk, like the previous guest, about Osama Bin Laden. First of all, though, it's connected, like, you know, to the story. It was recently this evening, really, it was a thing but to encounter. I was sitting in the car with my friends, and we'd been to get a fast food joint, like a McDonald's sort of thing. And we were listening to a Peaceful Hour, and we were sitting there with the edge off, like, and pretty quiet, apart from the music. And, you know, I'd stand up, and anyway, I've got my hand on this, you know, do you have, like, the plastic cartons? You know, you don't get, like, bottles, you get it in, like, plastic cartons, you know what I mean? Well, anyway, it's got the, like, the clear plastic top on it, and the straw that goes through. And we were sitting there, and anyway, I had my hand out the window with this cup on, and inadvertently, I wasn't thinking about it at the time, but, you know, I had my wrist lowered down out the car window, and I heard this noise, and I could have sworn it was the cup dropping. But, you know, I'm not the kind of guy to listen, and I said to my mates, I said, you know, did you hear that noise? And they said, yeah, it was the cup, Jeff. So anyway, I only got to lifted my hand up so they can see. I've still got this cup in my hand. Like, I hadn't dropped that. And I got a second confirmation like that. We definitely heard it. It was in my hand as we were discussing this.
So where does that fit in with Bin Laden?
Well, I want to just ask you personally, you know, spot on what you're saying, Pete. Do you think that's a coincidence? I mean, what does this mean now? For me? For bigger things? This event? Do you not think it's connected somehow to Bin Laden?
Does this verbal crap come out of your mouth on a regular basis, Jeff? Or is this just for our benefit?
I don't comprehend, Pete.
Oh, don't you comprehend? I'll say it again. Does this verbal crap come out of your mouth regularly?
No, you're going to have to elaborate, Pete. I'm not sure what you're getting at.
Well, we haven't a clue what you're getting at, so...
Well, I've linked it back. I've told you my story, albeit long-winded. You know, I've come and linked it back to the main point about Bin Laden. And then what are these jibes about, Peter?
You're just boring, wasting breath, wasting time on the airways, talking absolute verbal puke.
Come on, P, you need to be fair now. You haven't explained any reasons. You just keep repeating yourself. You answer the question, like, why do you think this is verbal puke, as you so eloquently put it?
Well, why don't you play it back to yourself, and then you'll understand what crap you're talking.
Well, I'm on the phone. There's not some sort of recording I've got going on here. On the telephone, I'm not listening to it back.
Oh, you're lucky then. You will be bored like we all are.
Well, I'm sorry you feel that way, Pete.
So did anything happen with the burger as well?
With the
burger as well as the drink.
What burger?
Well, you eating the burger and having a drink when you heard the noise of the cup and...
Oh, no, the burger has been scoffed. That's out of the question. That has nothing to do with it.
So that didn't taste like chicken or anything?
Well, there was I'm going to lie, Pete. I'm not going to lie, sorry, it's in a car. It was a quarter pounder meal from the McDonald's, so chicken has nothing to do with it.
All right.
So are you finished then?
Are you finished?
Yeah, I'm all done.
Right,
Hello, Pete.
Hi.
I'm not asked about the people who give all their opinions. But could you tell me, why did Obama offer this body better than people? You know, for the Muslim burial and that. And do you feel